In a dusty, impoverished village in Pakistan, Samina walks barefoot, carrying water. Her mother sits silently, a stark contrast to the cruel relatives yelling in the background. The scene underscores Samina's difficult life and the lack of opportunities. Dim light casts long shadows across the faces as Samina's greedy uncle stands tall, his voice echoing with cruel authority.
It's settled. Samina will be married to Malik Sain. It's what's best for all of us.
Samina's eyes fill with tears, reflecting the dim light as her mother shrinks back, her face etched with fear. In the dead of night, Samina flees, her heart pounding with terror. A single scarf is her only comfort against the cold and her mounting desperation. The dark, silent village looms behind her, a stark reminder of what she leaves behind. Lost in the labyrinthine streets, Samina's worry deepens, her face reflecting the city's cold neon glow. A kind woman's gentle smile cuts through the night, offering solace to Samina's despair. "Are you all right, dear?" "You look lost," the woman asks, her voice a beacon in the urban wilderness. A kind woman gently leads Samina through the doorway, into the shelter. Fluorescent lights cast a pale glow across the linoleum floor, illuminating rows of neatly made beds. The quiet murmur of voices fills the air, as other women offer Samina gentle smiles and words of comfort. Samina's uncle stands at the counter, his face grim as he files a false case of adultery against her. A police officer approaches Samina, his expression stern. The police officer states, "A case has been filed under hudud laws. You are under arrest." Samina collapses in the desolate jail cell, consumed by despair and the weight of injustice. The cold, stark environment intensifies her profound sense of isolation. Inside the jail, Samina sits amongst the women, their faces reflecting shared sorrow. An old prisoner speaks, her voice a low murmur. "You're not the only one, child. Many of us are here because someone wanted revenge." Advocate Sana arrives at the jail, determined to speak with the women. "You are not criminals. You are victims," Advocate Sana declares with conviction. "The Protection of Women Act 2006 now gives you the right to defend yourselves," she asserts. "No woman should be jailed without proper evidence," Advocate Sana emphasizes, her voice filled with resolve. Hope flickers in Samina's eyes. Advocate Sana steps forward, ready to fight for Samina's freedom. A collective gasp fills the courtroom as Samina hears the word, bail. The courtroom buzzes with anticipation as the legal battle commences. Samina stands before the judge, her posture a mix of vulnerability and resolve. The courtroom holds its breath, a silent observer to Samina's fate. Sunlight casts long shadows as Samina speaks with quiet defiance. "All I wanted was to live with dignity. Is that a crime?" The courtroom is silent, tension palpable as the judge prepares to deliver the final verdict. Under the Protection of Women Act, 2006, no one can be punished for zina without clear and credible evidence. The case is dismissed. Samina is free. Samina exits the court, her composure unwavering. Her mother rushes forward, tears of relief streaming down her face. A hushed silence descends as the crowd watches, their faces reflecting respect and admiration. Samina steps into the woman's shelter, her presence radiating a sense of unwavering purpose. Her voice resonates with conviction as she educates the young girls about their rights. The girls' eyes light up with newfound hope as Samina empowers them to stand tall. A sense of self-worth blossoms, nurtured by Samina's unwavering support. Amidst the city's vibrant pulse, Samina stands tall on a makeshift stage, her voice ringing with determination. She gestures emphatically, urging the diverse crowd. "Don't be afraid of the law, make it your strength. Know your rights." Sunlight dances off the informational banners, casting a hopeful glow on the pamphlets spread amongst the crowd. Samina returns to her village, her presence commanding respect. Villagers, once indifferent, now seek Samina's guidance. Samina stands tall in the village square, her voice ringing with conviction as she speaks to the assembled villagers. "We must support and protect our daughters." Her words resonate, igniting a spark of change and hope within the community. In a sun-drenched classroom, dust motes dance in the light as Samina, a beacon of warmth, stands at the blackboard. She gestures with chalk in hand, her animated explanation igniting curiosity in the young girls. The girls, eyes alight with eagerness, see in Samina a role model, a beacon of hope. Sunlight streams into the law office, illuminating Advocate Sana and Samina as they confront the weight of their cases. "We need to be more proactive in protecting women's rights," Sana declares, her voice resonating with conviction. Samina nods in agreement, her gaze meeting Sana's with shared determination. "I agree. Our partnership is a powerful force for change in the community, and we must use it wisely." Samina walks through the village, a beacon of hope in her stride. Smiles greet her at every turn, a testament to her courage. She embodies resilience, a symbol for the women of the community. In the quiet of her home, Samina sits beside her mother, a serene tableau of shared history and unspoken understanding. The air is thick with unspoken words, a testament to a bond forged in the crucible of shared trials and hard-won victories. In the hushed courtroom, Samina's unwavering gaze rests on the woman at the defendant's table. The woman trembles, her distress palpable, yet Samina's presence offers a silent promise of solace. In a subtle, unspoken gesture, Samina nods, a silent beacon of strength and support in the tense atmosphere. Samina spearheads a determined march through the city streets, the morning sun reflecting off the buildings. The banner proclaims, "Know your rights," its message cutting through the urban landscape. My voice, amplified, reverberates through the streets, igniting the crowd's fervor. Under the bright studio lights, Samina sits poised, ready to share her story with the world. Cameras roll, capturing her every word as she articulates a powerful vision for legal reforms. Her voice resonates with conviction, painting vivid pictures that promise change. Samina's message reaches millions of viewers, her words echoing across the airwaves. Raising awareness and promoting change, my story ignites hope in the hearts of many. Samina stands on the hilltop, the village below bathed in the soft glow of dawn. The early morning light paints the sky with vibrant colors, a symbol of hope and empowerment for me and every woman in her community. The sunrise represents a new beginning,